really excited because I got a package in the mail and I know that it's some new toys that I've ordered. They're by one of my favourite prop companies called Flowtoys, who creates beautifully designed LED props. I already own some LED pod boys created by them, and I think I've had them for like 3 or maybe 4 years now, and they're still amazing. So let's do this. This package is actually quite long. Come on. This is hard work sometimes. It's a hard life. Okay, so they're even prettier than I thought they might be. So as you can see, I'm super happy, proud owner of some LED Batons by Flowtoys. And in case you couldn't guess, I may or may not have personally requested these colours. It's super girly, I know. They're amazing! And what's also super cool about these new LED Batons I have is that they've got the new Flowtoys capsules. So I still gotta work out the ins and outs of these new lights, but I'm super excited because I know they have features where, for example, you can group your lights so you can turn them all off and on from just one instead of doing like one and another one and another one. I feel like just then I heard a collective whoop from any dragon staffers out there with like 1 million lights. And there are also new light modes, including performance settings where you can have extra bright lights, so that's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna actually turn the lights on. Let me turn the lights on. Ooh. Aw, look at all these cute things they included. Illuminate your life. I will. Ooh, your Flowtoys come with an amazing lifetime warranty. I didn't even realise that, and I've owned Podpoint for quite a while. So thanks for watching my little unboxing video from my Flowtoys goodies. I love so much. And I'm really excited to start playing with these and show you guys what they're like. I can already tell they're going to be amazing. You guys get this excited about new props too, right? Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I super appreciate your support. It means a lot. See you next time. To the stars.